The best email marketing app for Shopify. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys a quick comparison between some of the most popular apps for email marketing that are currently available to be integrated into Shopify. So let's get into it. Now, I've used Shopify for a while and I have seen a lot of tips and tricks that are, used by people to integrate email marketing into their Shopify store, how it can be automated, and some of the other features that come along with email marketing. So we all know some of the larger players in email marketing like MailChimp or Sendinblue or SendGrid, but there are a bunch of other tools available as well that can be super helpful when you are looking to integrate them into Shopify. So let's take a look. Now, to be able to see some of the top applications, we're simply going to head on over into our settings and we're going to go into our apps and sales channels and click on Shopify App Store. Over here, you can search for email marketing and we're going to do a quick comparison and I'll tell you guys what I recommend in these particular applications over here. And keep in mind that a lot of times, sometimes there are certain bugs with certain apps that can be a really big hassle, then their ratings go down after some time, then a bug might be resolved and they are going to be a whole lot more better in their email marketing use. So as you guys can see, you have some of the big names over here. You have Klaviyo, Avada, Shopify Email, MailChimp, SmartMail, as well as Privy, Tiny Email Marketing, Sendvio, and more. Now, all of these have their own pros and cons, but we're going to get started with some of the larger names such as MailChimp. Now, one thing I like about MailChimp is that they have a free plan available. A lot of people use this as their starter email marketing tool. However, there are a lot of limitations to the free plan on MailChimp, and once you grow to a certain extent, MailChimp is simply not feasible. Because if you take a look at their Essentials plan, you don't even get A/B testing in their free plan. You don't get, over 50,000 contacts. You have a limitation on contact and mail and more. And if you take a look at their detailed pricing option, you guys will be able to see on the free plan, you can only send upwards of 1,000 emails. So that might be all right for someone that's starting out. But if you already have an established business, and even if you have 100 customers, you might be sending 10 emails to them monthly, and that's going to fill up your entire Shopify store. So most of us are expecting our business to grow over to more than 100 customers, and that definitely means more than 1,000 emails per month. So that is one feature that is, the biggest cap that I have for MailChimp. It just really bugs me and that can really hold back your business. So I don't feel like the Essentials plan is worth it on MailChimp either because you only get 5,000 emails. The standard one is all right, but still, it doesn't suffice for the overall use that you might want to get for a larger corporation or business, especially for a Shopify store where you're looking to maximize your leads, maximize your potential. Now, we're going to move on to our second contender, which I've used a lot, and that is Klaviyo. Now, Klaviyo has a free plan. Klaviyo has some great features. They have A/B testing for free. They have templates, they have forms and segmentation and more. However, if you want to upgrade to more contacts, it's, the same thing as MailChimp. You guys can see that you have 15,000 mail sends on their email plan. So that is like an upgrade from MailChimp, and that is, however, pretty limiting in consideration to how many contacts you can have. You can have 1,000 to 1,500 contacts on the $45 per month plan. However, it does include SMS pushing. So if you have 150 free monthly SMS as well as email and chat support and more features such as A/B testing, campaigns for targeted mail, templates with, best practices included within those templates. So Klaviyo is a okay tool. I wouldn't say that I recommend Klaviyo, but if you're already using it and you just want to integrate it for your basic welcome and thank you emails on Shopify, I think it's all right for that purpose. Now, moving on to some of the better tools that I have used on Shopify. Now, these are my top 3, and the first one is AI. Now, a lot of people have not heard of this, but this is an all-in-one tool. You guys can see that they have multiple different plans. However, even their pro plan is only $12 a month. It's relatively super cheap. It utilizes the power of AI, and you will be able to see you have access to all applications and integrations. You can build upwards of 2 active campaigns, and for your business as you grow, you can increase your pricing with that. So let's say that you have 1,000 customers, you're going to be paying accordingly to that. If you have 50,000 customers, you can start paying accordingly to that, and you can upgrade as you grow. You don't have to pay for more than you are using. So you don't have to pay for the option of 10,000 customers while you only have 1,000 customers. And their free plan includes customer profile syncing, access to all applications, and 2 active campaigns that you can build. If you take a look at their pro plan, which I actually do recommend, they have removable branding. You don't have to worry about that. Access to all applications, as well as 50 active campaigns that you can run simultaneously, and all other features in the starter and basic plans. So after this, my next recommendation to most people other than AI is actually another top rated app on Shopify, which is the Automizely. Automizely email marketing is super easy to use. It's all in one, and it's also AI powered. Now, if you take a look at their installation as well, you will see they are slightly more expensive. However, if you take a look at some of the options that they give you, you have all types of pop-up features, conversion features. You also have campaign analytics and push notifications included, which you're not going to get for $11 per month on any other application. Plus, on the Pro plan, you have upsell pop-ups, you have unique coupon campaigns that you can create, product recommendations, and countdown timers included within your emails. And then if you take a look at Premium, you can send birthday emails, price drop and back in stock emails, AI-powered and on-site recommendations, as well as customer segmentation, which is probably one of my top picks. I do think that Automizely currently has been one of the best email marketing tools for most people. However, there is one alternate to Automizely that has been specifically built for Shopify, which I also do recommend, and that is our SendVio email marketing and SMS. Now, SendVio has developed this specifically for Shopify, so that is why it is more optimized. It is slightly cheaper, with up to 500 contacts that you can contact with the free plan, as well as 500 emails every 30 days, as well as 165 SMS credits that you can use on the free plan. You have things such as Omniflow workflow editors for SMS and email automation, pop-ups, audience segmentation. Then the starter plan also has status editors for your contact list, as well as customer success managers. And then you also have a email reputation service on their growth plan, and on their business plan they also have IP address management. So you can really see what they are offering directly on their pricing. However, keep in mind that they don't have the flexible pricing plan of the previous email marketing tools that I showed you. So if you want to send to 10,000 contacts, you just have to go to the growth plan. And then if you have to send to over 10,000 contacts, you have to go for the business plan, which I recommend anyways, but you can upgrade further as you grow. Now, in my personal opinion, what if someone says that I only want a email marketing tool to do the basics? I don't need a lot of other things. I just want to use the free plan and that is it. Well, for that, I would usually recommend AI. It's usually pretty simple and easy for most people to get started with. If you are someone that is looking to upgrade your email marketing to the next level, I do think that Automizely is currently one of the best email marketing tools out there with the best plans available. Their pricing is very decent for the features that you are getting. You have built-in CRM functionalities and more, and it can help you in growing your audience to a large extent. So I hope you guys found this video helpful and you're now able to choose the best email marketing tool for your Shopify store. If you did find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you have any questions or queries, leave those in the comment box down below. I would love to know what you guys have to say.